Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to write a double question essay. Very common essay type, and I'm going to tell you the standard pattern of a double question essay written by actual Cambridge IELTS examiner and evaluated by another Cambridge IELTS examiner. Okay, so this essay is going to tell you the number of paragraphs, what to write in the paragraphs, good sentence structure, good vocabulary, and all that. So let's make a start. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. In the past, most working people had only one job. Now imagine, past, most working people had one job. However, nowadays, more and more people have more than one job at the same time. See that? In the past, people had one job, okay? And now people have more than one jobs, like they're doing part-time. One role is different from another job role and all that. So this is the topic statement. What are the reasons for this development? Now, what is the development? Development is, in the past, most working people had only one job, but now people have more than one job at the same time. So this is the development. Okay, so what are the reasons for this development? Question mark. What are the advantages and disadvantages of having more than one job? So reasons, advantages, disadvantages. So in your task response, you have to cover these three things. First, you will give the reasons, a couple of reasons, then a couple of advantages, a couple of disadvantages, and then you are going to conclude. So this is a very good essay type, and this topic is very nice one. Okay, I mean, very important topic from actual exam point of view as well. So now let's see how this essay has been written. Introduction, first paragraph. It is increasingly common for people to hold down more than one job. It's a general sentence about the topic. It is increasingly common for people to hold down more than one job. Gone are the days when people could rely on one source of income to satisfy all their financial needs. Gone are the days, right? So this is related to past, okay? I would like to consider the reasons for this change. Thesis sentence. Now, first two sentences cover two sides of the question. And now we have thesis sentence. I would like to consider the reasons for this change and outline its advantages and disadvantages. From this sentence, it's very clear what is going to come ahead. And by the way, if you follow these patterns have been given by Cambridge IELTS examiners for the candidates, and they are model answers for bench score 7, 8, 9. So you don't need any IELTS writing guru to teach you all that stuff. Okay, you can just do it on your own. Let's go on. People take on extra work because making ends meet. Very good idiomatic expression, to make your ends meet. Because making ends meet has become so challenging. All right, that's good. So this is first reason, first cause that people take an extra work. Extra work means another job, because making ends meet has become so challenging. In recent years, the cost of living has risen exponentially. Very good vocabulary. Making it a real challenge to break even at the end. Break even. Very good vocabulary. Break even at the end of the month. Additionally, now this is to connect. Additionally, advertising companies relentlessly promote the idea that more wealth means more happiness, a concept that many people believe. So these are the reasons actually. They may take on freelance jobs or weekend work in the hope of improving their lot in life. Improving their lot in life, okay? Lot is luck here, right? That's very good. So in this one paragraph, they have covered this. What are the reasons for this development? So the reasons have been mentioned very clearly. A person with more than one job may experience several benefits. See what a wonderful paragraph. It starts with the punchline. And the first sentence tells us that this paragraph contains the benefits, and that's the question. What are the advantages of having more than one job? So a person with more than one job may experience several benefits. Diversifying your skills and gaining more experience can make you more employable. Very good vocabulary. Employable means you can get job. Can make you more employable when negotiating the highly competitive job market. Okay. Avoiding putting all your eggs in one basket. Very good proverb. Don't put all your eggs in one basket means you should have alternatives. So this is very appropriate vocabulary. Avoiding putting all your eggs in one basket means you should have alternatives as well. Is also a wise move, as you have something to fall back on. Fall back on. This is phrasal verb. If one source of income stops. That's very good. He's covered advantages. Now, disadvantages. There are also many downsides. For disadvantages, they've used the word downsides to this situation. Working for more than one company can quickly leave a person feeling overworked and burnt out. Overworked and burnt out means you feel tired and exhausted and all that. It also leaves limited time for being with family and friends or doing things you enjoy. Second drawback. What's more? What's more? Very good phrase here. And see, what's is like, what's more is a phrase actually. You can use it like this. It's not that you say there is the contraction. What's is the contraction? You can use it like that. What's more? When you are spread too thin, wow, another idiom. When you are spread too thin, you may produce poor quality work. Okay, so these are the disadvantages, and now we have conclusion. Overall, I think it is important to remain balanced. Having an additional source of income can be beneficial if you keep work in its place, but it is not worth damaging your health and relationships for the sake of a slightly larger bank balance. See, this conclusion covers the main topic very well, as it's a double question essay. So in conclusion, the writer has answered both questions very, very clearly. Okay, now let's go on and we see what are the comments from another IELTS examiner. This is a strong response. Strong response means band score 8 or 9. The candidate has addressed both questions and provided a range of extended ideas. The reasons given for having more than one job include the need to earn more to keep up with the cost of living, and the idea sold to people by advertising that we should earn as much as possible. More wealth means more happiness. So there are the reasons that this answer is wonderful. The pros and cons of having more than one job are well covered. Advantages include increasing your skills and experience to make you more employable and avoiding putting all your eggs in one basket in case you lose one job. Disadvantages include feeling overworked or burnt out and limited time to spend with family and friends and on hobbies and producing poor quality work. The response is logically organized with well-managed cohesion. There are some very good linkers like gone are the days when, additionally, what's more, and accurate reference and substitutions. Vocabulary is accurate and wide-ranging like satisfy financial needs, take on, risen exponentially, break even, improving their lot, with some sophisticated resources, putting all your eggs in one basket, burnt out, spread too thin. Similarly, the range of grammatical structures is wide and flexible. This is a very good example of a high-level response said by another IELTS examiner. Okay, so guys, I mean, although it sounds hard, but now you have the sample in front of your eyes. Now there is the specimen for 9 band in front of you, so you can easily go through this sort of specimen, this sort of model answer, and just follow this model answer. This model answer should be your role model to write for band score 7, 8 or 9. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore, and we offer IELTS test booking service. We offer IELTS writing evaluation services. So if you need to get any of these services, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wholeheartedly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.